Hey guys, how's it going? I apologize. I don't know who I'm addressing this to, but just the Jack of All LLC. Yeah, as I was saying, your business name popped up on my Facebook feed a few times, so I finally looked at it and um found your website, but I couldn't find it on Google. I went through 10 pages and it wasn't there, so I just wanted to share this educational video with you to, give you some tips on how to rank your business on Google. Um, so the first, well, the main three things are content, backlinks, and citations. So when anybody searches, let's say they search handyman St. George, this is what they're going to see on Google. Usually there's some ads above this map pack. Looks like there's not right now. But then you have the map pack. These are the top businesses in there. And then you come down to just the basic organic listings. Again, you guys, I went through 10 pages and I still couldn't find you guys listed up here. But, obviously you do have a website, so you're in there somewhere. Um, so just going back to here. So to get into this organic listings part, um, Google looks for content and backlinks. And with content to be labeled as an authority with Google, they look for up to 1,500 words of content. It seems like a lot, but that's what they're looking for. So the closer we can get to that number or exceed that number, the better chances you guys are going to have to take these top spots. So I actually pulled up, um, looks like Handyman St. George is in this top spot in the organic listings. His homepage has about 1,000 words. So even he's 500 words shy of the 15, excuse me, the 1,500 mark. I pulled up your website, highlighted everything, and you guys had 100 words. Unfortunately, the testimonials don't count. Google doesn't count those as content. Um, so with the testimonials, you had like 400 words, but without them, you drop down to 100. Um, that's just 1,400 words of you know missed opportunities to put those keywords that people are searching for, like handyman St. George, or electrical St. George, or drywall repair St. George, appliance repair, whatever services you guys provide. Um, so that's that. So content and backlinks to get up here. So we talked about the content. So real quick, backlinks. Backlinks are just other websites that are linking back to yours. Um, so normally there would be numbers right here, but um, you guys don't have. There's no data with your site, so um, there's either zero backlinks or very few that this program isn't recognizing it. This is a program called Ahrefs that we as marketers use. It gives us the numbers on a lot of website data, and again the backlinks are just not there. So then we jump over to that handyman St. George. We'll call him your top competitor. He's got 513 backlinks. So he's got 336 other websites that are referring back to his website 513 times. Now, we can beat him out. We can get 350, 400 domains, which could get up to, 600 backlinks and beat that out and get, close to that 1,500 words of content. And Google, it's like a popularity contest with Google. Like they're constantly crawling, as they say, the internet, looking for the websites and businesses that have those keywords, have that content, have the backlinks, have the citations, which is the third thing that we're going to talk about real quick. And whoever comes up the most popular, the most searched, has the most info, that's who they're going to put in these top spots. So for this organic listing spot, they're looking at the content and the backlinks. And this right here again is called the Google Map Pack. This one deals with citations, and citations are just your business name, address, and phone number listed across the internet. So the more times you have your business listed in local internet directories, the more likely you're going to take these top 3 spots. That's getting into listings like Yellow Pages, Yelp, White Pages, Yahoo, local Southern Utah directories or local Utah directories. There's hundreds of opportunities to list your business. Chamber of Commerce, they have a business listing section. So the more you have there, the more likely you're going to take that top spot, and the more content and backlinks, the more likely you're going to take this spot. So you can potentially be seen twice on just Google's first page when anybody searches, for example, handyman. You could potentially be seen right here at the top, Jack of All LLC right here. And then if someone, skips past that and they search down here, you could potentially be seen up here as Jack of All LLC for, best handyman in St. George or wherever. So anyways, not to go too long, but again, these are just content, backlinks, and citations. So the 3 main things that Google's looking for to get your website onto these pages. So you're getting the traffic that you want, you're getting the clients, you're getting the customers. Essentially, you're getting the business that you're looking for, and people are seeing that. So you can, again, these are just educational tips. Like, you can take this information and go do this all on your own, which is totally cool. I hope it works out for you. That's awesome. Or if you'd like to learn more, or you'd like to sit down and discuss how we can discuss your goals and further your business in whatever way you would like in the future, then reach back out to me, and we can definitely do that and sit down and discuss that. But thanks again for this opportunity to send you this video. Sorry it went a little bit long, but yeah, thank you. Let me know if you want to discuss anything further. Okay, bye.